Welcome to BKSS Academy. I hope you are doing great, my dear students. Now we will discuss about round robin scheduling algorithm. As we know, round robin scheduling algorithm is coming under the preemptive mode, and here the criteria is time quantum. A specific time will be given. Two queue is required, that is ready queue and running queue. Ready queue where the process will be ready for execution, and which will be executed, that will be at the running queue. So one question is given here, that is four processes are there. Arrival time and burst time is given, that is 5, 4, 2, 1. These are the burst time. And as we know, the turnaround time is completion time minus arrival time, and waiting time is turnaround time minus burst time. Similarly, response time is when CPU made the process minus arrival time. Here suppose time quantum is given 2. So after each 2 seconds or 2 nanoseconds, any time unit, after any time unit, any 2 time unit, the new process will be added. So suppose the first P1 will be arrive at 0, so P1 will be at the ready queue first. That will be given to the running queue. From 0 to 2, it will take 2 quantum time, so 0 to 2 it is taking. By this 2 or second unit of time, another 2 processes are already arrived, that is P2 and P3. So out of 5, what is the burst time of the P1? That 5 minus 2, the 3 will be there. So after P2 and P3, P1 will be arrived. So P2 will be processed 2 to 4, then P3 will be processed 4 to 6. In between that, P4 is also arrived, P1 is there, then P4 is arrived. After that, P2 will come, then P1 will come. Similarly, this will be the time interval. One thing is that is 8 to 9 after, as P4's process force burst time, that means execution time is 1 second. So the quantum time is equal to 2 will not be considered because the burst time is 1. So 8 to 9 is there. Similarly, P2 will be 9 to 11 and the termination will be occurred. At each execution, we are deducting 5 to 3, 5 minus 2 is equal to 3, 3 minus 2 is equal to 1, 1 is 1, after 1 second it will be terminated. Similarly 4 minus 2, similarly 4 minus 2 is equal to 2 second, 2 minus 2 is equal to 0, here it will be terminated. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0, termination, 1 is equal to 1 time second is there, so directly it will be taken. So one important thing, that is completion time. Completion time, we will check what is the completion time. P1 is completed at 12 second, so this is the completion time. P2 is completed at 11, P3 is completed at 6, P4 is completed at 9. So these are the completion time. So from there, the principle of turnaround time is completion time minus arrival time. So 12 minus 0 is equal to 12, 11 minus 1 is equal to 10, 6 minus 2 is equal to 4, 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Similarly, waiting time formula is turnaround time minus burst time. Turnaround time is 12 minus 5, it is 7, 10 minus 4 it is 6, 4 minus 2 it is 2, 5 minus 1 it is 4. Similarly, response time. One important thing in this round robin scheduling algorithm is context switching. when a process is executed after the quantum time, it will be restored in the ready queue to allow the new process to be executed. That is called as context switch. So context switching means save the running process and bring the new process for execution. That is the context switching. In this running queue diagram, we will count how many times context switching is done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This much time context switching is done. Thank you.